Here I've got Motorola Moto E6 Plus, and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at first you have to switch off your phone, simply tap on power key to do it, and then click on power off. Once your device is off, simply tap on power key and volume up keys, hold both of them all together until you are in boot mode. And here it is, now you're in boot mode, in which you can navigate by using volume up key, just like that, and then for selection use volume down key. So you have to select recovery mode, the first option, tap on power key to access it and wait a couple of seconds. Now you're in Android recovery mode, in which you can navigate by using both volume up and down keys, and for selection use power key. So now you have to locate and select wipe cache partition option, here it is, and tap on power key to perform this operation, then select yes to confirm. And that's it. As you can see, cache wipe complete, so that would be all. And now we can reboot system now, so simply tap on power key to do it and wait a couple of seconds until your device is back in the normal mode. So this is it. You've got your device back in the normal mode and the cache has been wiped. So congrats, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.